Awareness program on witch hunt and mob lynching held in Dokmoka. Bamboo growers excited over research team visit to Daithor. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansepi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. Karbi Anglong Police, in collaboration with the local organizations, organized an awareness program at Longkam Teron Auditorium in Dongmukak on Monday. The social awareness program was held on witch hunt, mob lynching, superstitious beliefs, and rumors to prevent the killing of innocent lives and taking laws into the hands. The awareness program was held at 11 a.m. and was led by Nirmal Chanda Bora and attended by Karbi Anglong SP Dibojit Deori, national level human rights and social activist Dibya Jyoti Saikya, Dokmoka Police Station OC, village headmen, VDP members, and several members from different organizations of the area. During the program, serious discussion related to the grave dangers and threat to law and order, peace and harmony of society posed by witch hunting, black magic, superstitious beliefs, rumors and fake news was discussed in great detail. The Karbi Anglong Police, led by SP and other experts, especially urged upon the people of the area to be on constant vigil against these social evils, as many people's lives have lost and several families have also been destroyed. Further, the speakers also urged upon people to not take laws into their hands but seek the help of local police and authority if any issues or cases pertaining to these social evils arises. Speakers also urged upon organizations and local bodies for the support and cooperation in spreading awareness among people in the town and villages.
Karbi Anglong Jila Arkhie Uddog লৈছে আৰু মই এজন ন্যাশনাল লেভেল সোশ্যাল ওয়ার্কার হিসাবে হিউম্যান রাইটস অ্যাক্টিভিষ্ট হিসাবে মানৱ অধিকাৰ তথা সমাজকৰ্মী হিচাপে তেওঁলোকে মোক ইয়াত আমন্ত্ৰণ জনাইছে। এইটো এটা বিশ্লেষণাত্মক আৰু প্ৰেৰণাত্মক মটিভেশ্যনেল এটা প্ৰগ্ৰাম হয় ছ'চিয়েল লিডাৰবিলাকক কমন নহয়, তাৰমানে যিসকলে সমাজত নেতৃত্ব প্ৰদান কৰে, VDP হওক, গাঁওবুঢ়া হওক, মহিলা সমিতি হওক, যুৱ সংঘ।
এইজন ঘৰৰ মানুহৰ ডাঙৰ পুতেকটো কি হৈছে সমস্ত গোটেই ডিটেইলছ লৈ সেই বাবাই আপোনাৰ ঘৰত যাব, গৈ কিনে ক'ব আপোনাৰ ডাঙৰ ল'ৰা সাপে খুটি মাৰিছে, আপোনাৰ গিৰিয়েকে চাকৰিৰ পৰা খেদা খাইছে, এইবিলাক কথা বেলেগৰ পৰা শুনি আহি কিনে আপোনাক পাঠ পঢ়াব আৰু পাঠ পঢ়াই অকল আপোনাৰ পৰা পইচা লৈ গুচি যাব। সেইকাৰণে ৰাইজ ডাইনী হওক, উপাধৰা হওক, এইবিলাক ক'তো একো নাই। আপোনালোকে ক'ৰবাত ৰাস্তাত যদি মানুহ সন্দেহজনক মানুহ দেখিছে তেতিয়াহ'লে নিৰ্মমভাৱে অত্যাচাৰ নকৰিব। আৰু যদি দেখা পাওঁ মই পুলিচক পঠাই পুলিচক খবৰ দিব লাগে, কাৰণ আইন হাতত তুলি নল'ব ৰাইজ। কাৰণ মানুহক মৃত্যু কৰিবলৈ বা তেখেতক আমি হত্যা কৰিবলৈ ভগৱানে আমাৰ হাতত শক্তি দিয়া নাই, সেয়া ওপৰত আছে। আমি কেৱল জন্ম দিব পাৰোঁ কিন্তু মানুহক জ্ঞান দিব পাৰোঁ। সেইকাৰণে কৈছোঁ ৰাইজ, কেতিয়াও আপোনালোকক হাতযোৰ কৰি কৈছোঁ, কোনো মানুহক ৰাস্তাত কোনো সন্দেহযুক্ত মানুহক তাক একো খবৰ নোলোৱাকৈ মাৰি ধৰি তাক নিৰ্মমভাৱে হত্যা নকৰিব। আপোনালোকক হাতযোৰ কৰি কৈছোঁ, বহুত জেগাত মানুহক বিনা কাৰণত হত্যা কৰিছে। হয়তোবা সেই মানুহজন এইখন গাঁৱত কাম কৰিবৰ কাৰণে তেখেতে নিজৰ ঘৰৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীহালক এমুঠি ভাতৰ যোগান ধৰিবলৈ আহিছে। তেওঁক আপোনালোকক সপা ধৰা বুলি তেওঁক মৰিয়াই হত্যা কৰিলে, কিন্তু সেই ল'ৰা ছোৱালীকেইটা বা সেই মহিলাগৰাকীৰ অৱস্থা কি হ'ব এবাৰ ভাবি চাইছেনে? সেইটো ভুল কেতিয়াও নকৰিব।
Samsung Intis report from Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong Live. The bamboo growers in Daithor have expressed their hope and excitement over the prospect of making coal from bamboo charcoal. This was stated following to visit to Daithor under Duarbagori constituency by experts from Jorhat-based Rainforest Research Institute. The team from the Rainforest Research Institute comprised of researcher Dr. R.D. Borthakur and scientist Dr. R.K. Kalita, and they were led by a local group led by Bhimson Rongpi. During the visit, experts stated that bamboo, which is small in size and rejected, can be used for making coal after it burns like charcoal. The visiting team also expressed their disappointment of the closure of the paper mill in Jagirot, stating that the bamboo growers were driven into extreme crisis and hardship. It was a source to support their family and children. The bamboo growers, along with some leaders, are expected to visit the research institute at Jorhat to learn more about the use of charcoal and making into coal on November 13, and said that if it is really achievable and true, then it will be a good news for all the bamboo growers. Arjisa Rongpa report from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live. The All-Party Hills Leaders Conference Korkanthi Constituency Committee has on Tuesday burned effigies of Assam Education Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma over his controversial statement declaring that non-ST will also be allowed to buy or sell out land inside the 6 scheduled areas. The protest against the state minister was held at 8 a.m. around Tekelangjon market area by a APHLC Korkanthi committee to express their anger and condemnation of the minister's statement made during a meeting at Udalguri. APHLC Haroghat Legislative Assembly spokesperson Gobind Rongphar, Korkanthi Constituency Committee General Secretary Babul Rongpi and Youth President Longson Taro were also present at the protest program.
Korkanthi homosti penilitum la non alom kachihuri sai Himanta Biswa Sarma alangli Udalguria meeting along tarik 4 November ani kaneng jekang 6 idol along le arlo kedo anta me jorlong la pente keche tum namlong la bangso alam nilitum ladak APHLC asong Korkanthi pen nilitum nengduk chipilo la
asin nilitum ningduk piglo Himanta Biswa Sarma phan alang ni nu thek pigabang posita ami alang lika aron akhore palon kurim bose alang li kiningi konsita mi alang li constitution aron karkana bang la alang li phan ke futures ta me sansi mantri ar puki pinangi phan ge alang li mantri ar puke deng nai alang li la bangsa samalong la pen karbeng long long ke bang nai ke alang li phan out pp.
The regional party severely criticized Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, charging him of trying to undermine the 6th schedule which protects the tribal and their land. The party said that they would never accept anything that poses threat to the existence of the indigenous tribes people of the state. Samsung Ingti report from Dongmokak, Karbi Anglong Live. A football organized by the HDP Youth Club came to an end on Tuesday with a final match seeing King Chili FC knocking horns with the Hatoka FC. Altogether, 22 teams took part in the tournament. During the half of the final match, both teams stood at 1 goal each. However, in the second half, King Chili FC came back with more power and scored 3 more goals to steal the match and the tournament. The final match of the tournament was witnessed by a huge number of audiences. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Longki Timung was also present as the chief guest. Borjan VDC Chairman Babu Bongrung, Amlokhi Sports Association Secretary Joyraj Rongpi, HDP Sports Association Secretary Kaman Tiso, Khatkhati Sports Association Secretary Rahul Togbi, local SGB and GBs were also present. The winning team was given Rs 15,000 cash prize, while the runners-up team was given Rs 10,000. Bharat Timung of Hatoka FC was given the Best Player Award, whereas King Chili FC Dairy Crow was given the award for the highest number of goals by an individual. Best Goalkeeper Award was given to Sabeshin Terang. Bija Rongpi report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.